Just a quick review of the Masterforce Flex Power 20 volt impact wrench. I've not even used it yet, so other than right there, it's brushless. Get this from Menards. I believe it's exclusively at Menards. So let's take a look at the box. Comes with a battery and the charger, lithium ion. Let's see. There's some specs there. 520 foot-pounds they claim in reverse. So we'll see. It feels pretty good. It is a little cheap. Let's see if I get the light. The button for the battery just feels cheap. But you know, it was cheap. It was under $200. It was on sale. And so for that kind of torque, I felt that was a pretty good price. If you were to put it in forward, you have 3 settings here. There we go. Got low. And medium. And high. And then if you press and hold it, you get an auto stop feature, which stops it from over torquing fasteners. Okay, I'm going to take it outside and try breaking a couple lug nuts loose. Alright, we're outside. I know that these lug nuts are torqued to 100 foot-pounds because I just torqued them. So I'll try taking 2 of them off. I'm sure it'll be easy because it's only 100 foot-pounds, but we'll see. Oh yeah. I'll do one more. Get an angle. Easy. Very nice. Well, this will be the first of at least one more or maybe many reviews on this guy. So stay tuned.